My calling is no different from your calling. We are all called by God, knowing who we are, where we are, and what we have experienced. We are called in each moment to live out of our divinity, to embrace beauty, truth, art, adventure, and justice in our worlds, in our context, right where we are. For most of us, that's real work. It means working with the imperfection and the injustice and the brokenness of the world and still try to see life. Still try to be whole. There is another way. Our beliefs should remind us that God is with us, always. Our practices should call us closer to that truth and to making that happen in the world. Our spiritual activism is our social activism. That is a faith that liveth.